Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X squared minus y squared is equal to 17, where x and y are member of natural number. Solution. Here, x squared minus y squared is equal to 17. This is in the form of perfect square. If you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then here, where a is equal to s and b is equal to y, this can be written as s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 17. Then here, s plus y is greater than s minus y. So this is greater than this. Then we need to look for the product of 17. 17 is a product of 1 multiplied by 70. Then 17 multiplied by 1. And since this is greater than this, 1 is less than 17, this is rejected. Then 17 is greater than 1, this is accepted. We have s plus y bracket s minus y is equal to 17 multiplied by 1. Then this will go for this, and this will go for this. We have x plus y is equal to 17. This is equation 1. X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. This is a simultaneous equation. Let's solve this using elimination method by adding the two equations together. We have x plus s. This is 2x plus y minus y. This will cancel this. Is equal to 17 plus 1. That is 18. Let's divide both sides by 2. Then we have 2x divided by 2 is equal to 18 divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 9. Then s is equal to 9. We've gotten the values of s. Let's solve for y using either equation 1 or the equation 2. But in this case, I'm going to make use of this equation 1. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 17 when x is equal to 9. Then we have 9 plus y is equal to 17. Y is equal to 17 minus 9. Y is equal to 8. This is the value of y. Therefore, our final answer are s, y is equal to 9, 8. And these are also a natural number. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S squared minus y squared is equal to 17. S is 9. That is 9 squared minus y is 8. 8 squared must be equal to 17. 9 squared, this is 81 minus 8 squared, 64, must be equal to 17. Then 81 minus 64, this is 17, is equal to 17, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.